We're making pies for the kids. We're doing pumpkin apple pies and we're doing whipped cream from scratch.
My name is Santiago. I've been a food service director with Sage for about 10 years. Today for the event, we are cooking pies. We're doing apple pies and pumpkin pies and made from scratch whipped cream. Last year, me and the person for the after school care got together and we said, hey, let's do an event for the kids. And the feedback from the kids, faculty and staff and parents, of course, were really, really great. Their questions to me were, when is the next one?
Oh, everybody's gonna get a sheet, right? This is simple.
Teaching kids to cook is great because it gives them the opportunity to realize what it takes to make meals in the kitchen. So besides cooking skills, the students learn organizational skills, time management, and how to work as a group. And that goes a long way in life also, not only in cooking, but in their future. The favorite part of the class is, again, watching the enjoyment the kids have creating the dishes, making the dishes, seeing the laughter, seeing the mess ups, seeing us going to help them out. It's fun to do this. And again, they get the chance to go home, show their parents what they learned, and they make it a family activity, maybe on a weekend or a late night. They're able to show their parents what they learned here at school.
Do you think the crust is the best part?
Crust is the
Oh, there it is. It's all in the crust.
I just like the apples.
You just like the apples?
I like the